Yo, what's going on, guys? Banana Wolf 99 back here with you guys today. Welcome back to another video. Sorry, my friend Dylan's in the room. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm unboxing my brand new NZXT Let's Build PC. So yeah, let's hop right into it. NZXT, it's a cool website. Basically, just a quick heads up, this is not a paid video at all. NZXT Build is a cool website. Basically, it's all NZXT cases and NZXT power supplies. And you can configure your own PC, set a price point, choose the games you want it to run, and it'll give you a whole entire list of options that you can build your computer. So, let's hop right into it. So, we're going to go ahead here. We're going to cut open the box. And we're going to see what we have inside. Hopefully, FedEx didn't throw my boxes. Alex, roll the clip. Alright, so, let's go ahead, pull up the cover, which is, actually, I believe I could use this at soundproofing. It's really thick. I may hang that up on the wall right there. So I'm going to set this off over to the side. Alright, now we have the NZXT mid-tower box. Dude, this thing does not really seem to be like sturdy in there, like it could slide around during shipping. But hopefully the computer will be fine. Let's go ahead here. How am I going to get this out? Alright, so what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to take the case, the box, I'm going to flip it over so the computer can come out, unless I can just, oh dude, it's so heavy. Alright, so thanks to having Dylan here, his computer's super freaking heavy. I think it's like 30 pounds, and it has a tempered glass side panel, which is nice. I like that. So, we're going to go ahead and cut open the main box where my baby is waiting, and where we are going to see, whether or not it is broken. Dude, this is so cool. I'm so excited for this. Oh, we got a NZXT pouch toolkit. Did we just get a complimentary toolkit? Okay, no, we got cables. We got zip ties. Alright, we have just extra braided cables. And we have the thing for the CPU socket that sits on top of the motherboard when you first get it, so that's cool. Thank you NZXT for giving this, and it's cool because it matches kind of like the color that the beauty panel has on it. So I'm gonna pass that to Dylan. Hold that, do not take anything out. Alright, next thing we got product registration card. We have programs and everything, download shit, and we have power cable, which is what we're gonna need. I don't see a remote for our amazing unicorn RGB coloring inside of it. So no biggie. Set this all to the side here. And now, the moment I've been waiting for. The brand new computer. Alright, thanks to a little help from Dylan, we got the PC out of the box. Now it is time to reveal the Banana Wolf 99 gaming rig, sponsored by NZXT. Not really, but NZXT, seriously, if you guys want to do a sponsorship. Dylan and you guys are about to see the brand new computer. Let's lift it up. I was gonna do like a super epic, like, whoosh, and have it come up, but shut up, old computer. I don't love you anymore. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, we're on the other side. Fuck. Let me turn it around here. There it is, guys. The brand new computer. Oh, I got shocked. Cool thing about this is that it's one thumb screw that holds in the tempered glass. Watch everything be broken inside. Alright guys, we have the computer all unboxed. The specs will be listed down in the description below. I still got to install my hard drive, which is inside of the computer still. I got to install it. Thank you for Dylan for helping me out. Camera focus. Thank you for Dylan. Help me out. I'm going to go ahead and get this set up and I'll be back. Alright guys, so I have everything set up. For some reason, the other monitor wouldn't work with the computer, so I will be getting another monitor soon. Not right now though. I need to wait probably 2 paychecks or something, so I'll probably have one next month But yeah, currently installing Adobe Premiere Rush, brand new editing software that I'm gonna be trying out. So yeah, computer, it's great. Like I said, all specs will be listed down in the description below, so go check that out. Well, that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. Let me know what you think about my computer down in the comment section below. Subscribe if you're new. Turn on post notifications if you haven't already. My name is BananaWaffle99. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.